Hello, and welcome to Wellness Transmutation. Today I want to talk to you about the hidden dangers of grapefruit. Grapefruit is a popular and nutritious fruit that is often praised for its health benefits. However, there are some hidden dangers of grapefruit that many people may not be aware of. Here are 10 potential risks and side effects of consuming grapefruit. Interactions with medications. One of the most well-known dangers of grapefruit is its potential to interact with a number of medications and affect their metabolism and effectiveness. For example, consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice can increase the levels of certain medications in the blood, potentially leading to toxic levels. Medications that may be affected by grapefruit include statins, calcium channel blockers, and antihistamines, among others. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to grapefruit and experience symptoms such as hives, rash, and swelling of the face, lips, tongue, and throat after consuming it. If you have any allergies or a history of allergic reactions, be sure to check with your healthcare provider before adding grapefruit to your diet. Digestive issues. Grapefruit can be a common cause of digestive issues, such as heartburn, indigestion, and diarrhea, for some people. If you experience any of these symptoms after eating grapefruit, it may be best to avoid it or limit your consumption. Tooth enamel erosion. The acid in grapefruit can potentially erode tooth enamel, leading to sensitive teeth and an increased risk of cavities. To reduce the risk of tooth enamel erosion, it's important to brush your teeth after eating grapefruit and to drink plenty of water to help rinse away the acid. Increased risk of kidney stones. Some studies have suggested that consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice may increase the risk of developing kidney stones. This may be due to the high levels of oxalates found in grapefruit, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. If you have a history of kidney stones or are at a high risk of developing them, it may be best to limit your consumption of grapefruit or avoid it altogether. Risk of sun sensitivity. Some people may experience increased sensitivity to the sun after consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice. This can lead to a greater risk of sunburn, skin damage, and skin cancer. If you are planning to be in the sun after consuming grapefruit, be sure to use sunscreen and protective clothing to reduce your risk of sun sensitivity. Drug withdrawal symptoms. In rare cases, consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice may cause drug withdrawal symptoms in people who are addicted to certain medications. This can occur because grapefruit can affect the metabolism of these drugs and lead to a rapid decrease in their levels in the body. If you are addicted to a medication and are considering adding grapefruit to your diet, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider first. Risk of bleeding. Some studies have suggested that consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice may increase the risk of bleeding, particularly in people who are taking blood-thinning medications. If you are on a blood thinner or have a bleeding disorder, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before consuming grapefruit. Risk of developing insulin resistance. Some research has suggested that consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice may increase the risk of developing insulin resistance, which can lead to type 2 diabetes. Risk of birth defects. There is a chance that consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice during pregnancy may increase the risk of birth defects. While more research is needed to confirm this potential risk, it's important for pregnant women to be cautious and talk to their healthcare provider. It's important to be aware of these potential dangers and to talk to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns about consuming grapefruit. They can help you determine if it is safe for you to eat grapefruit based on your individual circumstances and medications. While grapefruit can be a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, it's important to consume it in moderation and to be aware of any potential risks. By understanding these risks and talking to your healthcare provider, you can make informed decisions about whether or not to include grapefruit in your diet.